What's up, guys? Today we will be trying to get as much research points as we can. I have a bit of a cold, as you can clearly hear. And so we're gonna do like Wi-Fi glitches in the new space map to restart all the research points on the research point planet. So let's get to it. We're gonna need like a grappler and all, so let's do this, that, and a bag. Okay, perfect. Right, let's bring a weed torch because we have to go into the mines for this. Right, let's head over to the mines. I already have 2 research points, so I do, but let's just not count them for this video. Let's just get over to the planets, get over to the research points, break all of them, then turn our Wi-Fi off, my Wi-Fi off, and then it should restart it. It should restart the, like, I mean, I could get some here. Company coins, no. Right, let's just go to this planet. Alright guys, we're near there. So, these fall, just so you know, on your way to the planets, them will fall. So you gotta see it. But you should be fine. You have a grappler. So let's head right over to the first one. And let's start mining. Oh, we got one. Oh no! So we got one there. Let's get more. Oh no! Company coins. Oh guys, we got another one. That's 2. Oh, we got another one, guys. That's 3. 4. We've got 4 already. Alright, now I'm gonna reset my Wi-Fi and they should spawn back. Alright guys, I've turned my Wi-Fi off and back on, so we're just gonna see if they respawn. Just gotta wait. And there we go. Look at that. This is how to get a lot of research points, guys. So right now we're on 4, like excluding the ones that we already had. Oh, company coins. No luck so far. Wow, we got none there. Okay, let's restart the Wi-Fi again. And boom, more again. At the end, I'm going to be spending all these research points. No, I keep doing that. Company coins. More company coins. Our luck has not been the best. Any more? Okay, we're gonna restart one more time, then I'm gonna go back and use all these crystals. Alright, one last time, and then we'll go and sell all these research points we've got. Oh my god. Can't even break it. as I said, after this, we're going to sell all them at the end of this. Bro, it is so loud when you're breaking these. Alright, I think that's it. We managed to get none, but that's okay. We're gonna head back and sell all the points. Before I do, the reason I brought a bag is to get more of these. Let's try and get some of these as well. Okay, we're gonna go get some of the greens as well. I have a lot of these in my locker, so I do. Okay. That'll do. Alright. Let's go and head back. Alright guys, we are back. But I'm just gonna put all my items back in the locker. So yeah. Let's see how much broccoli and all we got first. Whoa, no, it's not that bad. Yeah, this back here. This is all the stuff we got. Alright. Let's go sell these 6 research points, guys. Let's see what we actually need. We could go for the heart gun, but that's 5. You know what? Screw it. We'll go for the heart gun, guys. Let's go to the heart gun. Okay. No idea where to go from here, but we'll find our way. Okay, this is not good. No! I fell. Alright guys, we're nearly there. Go up here. Hopefully not fall. Alright, we're fine. Yeah. Okay, there's a grappler. And then the heart gun is over there, guys. And let's go get the heart gun. And we could use the heart gun for future videos. So, yeah. Oh no, I'm stuck. There we go. Ooh. Oh no, how am I gonna make this jump? Oh my, I am. Whew. Okay. The heart gun. Let's go. Let's go. We've got the heart gun. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. We managed to get enough research points to get the heart gun. We could use this for future videos. And anyways, see you guys in the next video.